Camau Sylfaen, UNED 6, fideo 2. Be ddes ti efo ti? Now we're going to practice asking what the children have brought with them and how they got there. Dedwch ar fy ôl I, say after me. Be ddes ti efo ti? What did you bring with you? Da iawn. Unwaith eto, once again. Be ddes ti efo ti? Do da means to bring in English. So in the past tense, we would answer Mi ddes I athegan efo fi. I bought a toy with me. Mi ddes I achot efo fi. I bought a coat with me. Mi ddes I a phapur efo fi. I bought paper with me. The A causes a treiglad llais, an aspirate mutation. You've seen this mutation before when learning the negative sentence pattern ches I ddim. It affects words beginning with T, C and P. Let's look at the sentences again. Dedwch ar fy ôl I. Mi ddes I athegan efo fi. Mi ddes I achot efo fi. Mi ddes I a phapur efo fi. Benigedig. Let's practice asking more questions. Ailadroddwch. Ddes ti a bwyd efo ti? Did you bring food with you? Ddes ti achot law efo ti? Did you bring a raincoat with you? Ddes ti athegan efo ti? Did you bring a toy with you? Did you notice there's a treiglad meddal soft mutation at the beginning of the question form? Ddes ti a bwyd efo ti? Da iawn. As you know, the answer to these questions will always be do or naddo. Ddes ti a bwyd efo ti? Do. Mi ddes I a bwyd efo fi. However, there is also a treiglad meddal soft mutation at the beginning of a negative sentence. Ddes ti achot law efo ti? Naddo. Ddes I ddim achot law efo fi. Rwan, now let's learn sut daethoch chi. How did you come? Plural. Dedwch ar fy ôl i. Sut daethoch chi heddiw? How did you come today? And the answers: mi ddes I mewn car. I came in a car. Mi ddes I efo mam. I came with mam. Mi ddes I ar y bws. I came on the bus. To ask, did you come in the car, plural, we say, ddaethoch chi mewn car? Again, we can see there's a treiglad meddal soft mutation at the beginning of the question. Ddaethoch chi mewn car? If we want to answer the question in the affirmative using we came, then we say, do, mi ddaethon ni mewn car. Ond, but, da chi'n cofio, do you remember, there's a treiglad meddal at the beginning of a negative sentence. Ddaethoch chi mewn car? Naddo. Ddaethon ni ddim mewn car. Da iawn. There's a lot to learn in this video. Da chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. You can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!